Good morning, as we return from our break. Once again, we're at the Hyatt Regency on Capitol Hill, Washington, D.C., 400 New Jersey Avenue. And we are on the topic, the amazing 5x12 matrix. Yours truly, Dolphy Gilpin, is here with you this morning, once more. I've been worked on this amazing 5x12 matrix from 2005. But it has been conceived from back there in Schilling's laboratory, implicitly at that time, because we did a lot of determinants, economics class, and the laboratory was where we were investigating our instrumentations. I've seen the configuration from way back, but I didn't apply it until back in 2004 when I started making physical realization of it and applying it to solve economic problems. All right, so here we are now. I'm going to use a different source 5x12 matrix here. And once again, coincidentally, I was here in 2015 at this very same spot on a different floor. Be the second floor it was. Now I'm on the fifth floor doing this presentation. So here we have a different source now. So we have now LB 326 190 28 L. And this is the economics configuration now. 0581 1354 E LB 9000 7365 C and LD 50156 178 D and LK 290359 75 A, and that's our source or model matrix. 5x11, the 12th one is isolated here. B2, L12, B2 again, D4, and what is this? K4. Let's call it. All right, and if we wish to do the second step of our processing for more source 5x12 here, it's 5x11 and the extra one. It's unorthodox to write it like this, really, but nevertheless, so we have now LB, L. Notice you have transposed the L here laterally over to here to ease our computation. But when you put it in this form, it becomes, for my purpose, the pharmaceutical configuration. But I will transpose it back into the economic configuration as it is here. And as you know, this could represent zeros on the monetary bills. That's probably one of the reasons why they call it the economic configuration. In the same format, here's zeros on the currency, the US currency. Here we go. Okay, here. LBL, so what you get here was 0580135 900 or 9,7365 50156 178 and 2903597. So that's LBL. Using the LBL operator, so we get the LL, what's that, G? The LLE operator, this is the E. So LLE, or operator. The LLE operator, we get 32609,028 7365 5015 6178 and 29035 975. And this will retain back to B2, and we just write it like so. And this will be L12, right like so. So we go now to get the LBC operator. LBC operator. For the LBC operator, we have now 32609,028 058 0135 4 and 50156 178. This first process is very easy, and 2903 5975. Then we get the LDD operator. LDD operator, and for LBC we have a B2. That's separated in. So we have now the LDD operator. I hear the sound smooth operator. Know that the sound smooth operator? Well, this process is very smooth. There we go, LDD. Smooth operator, 32609,028 058 0135 4 9000 7365. Smooth operator, 2903 5975. And for the last one here, we have LKA. This one takes a D4. D4. And the last one, you put in the center here, LKA. LKA. We get now 326 09028 09028 0508 05 8013 54 9000 7365 and 5015 6178. And that takes a K4. So that's the first step of our processing when we get the operator. Yeah. Alright, we're going to move into the second step of our processing. And first, let's take a break because it's a different step. And we come back to generate some. Notice these are 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 by 8. 4 rows by 8 columns, all of them. And also note that B is always taken, the mid of this B, B2. Mid of this is L, L12. Mid of this is a B, B2. And mid of this is D, D4. Mid of this is K,